Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn and today we're going to be walking through this 2024 ATX 22 Type S. The 22 Type S is going to be a pickle fork front, so it is going to have a wide, spacious bow. Underneath the seats on both sides you will have extra ballast tanks to get this boat to surf even better. You'll have grab handles on both sides, 2 cup holders, and a pair of speakers. So we moved back. New for the 23 and 24 models was a standard power tower. So with the battery on, you just press a switch here and the tower will deploy or raise. We are going to have the Wet Sounds audio upgrade in the interior, which is now standard. So we will have the 5 speakers in the boat and then the pair of power tins, which is an option on board. Here at the helm, we will have a very nice dash. You'll have the info charge holder. You will have keyless ignition, the smart wheels behind the steering wheel to allow you to control the speed and stereo, as well as your switching for ballast. This boat is going to be capable of keeping up with 15 people per the Coast Guard capacity sticker. What that means is if you, couple friends, couple kids, bring some friends, you can fit 15 people as long as you have life jackets and adequate safety gear on board. Underneath the seats back here, you will have additional storage as well as your rear ballast bags. You're going to have, again, grab handles in every one of your cup holders to add some extra safety on board, cup holders, and your Wet Sounds speakers. You will have the reversible swim seat, so when you have kids in the water, you can deploy this. You can watch out the back, and it's a little bit closer of an observer seat, and you can fit more people. So you can do 2 people in the loungers. With this flip, you can now have 4 or 5 people wide. Back in the back, you will have the transformation transfer package, which just allows you a little bit extra space in the back, but gives you a nice walkthrough, so you don't have to be stepping on your seats. And some flip-up stadium-style seats on both sides. This has been a very popular package because on board, when you do have kids playing or people in the water, you can set these up and entertain facing aft. We'd love to show you this ATX 24 in person, so give us a call today to set up your appointment.